Welcome to DDR Performance. Today, we're going to present to you with one of our latest systems for the 2015 and up Ford F150 5.0 DDR intake. This main system is comprised of a lot of different elements. The first one that we'll be talking about is the airbox. The best thing about this airbox is that it is powder coated to insulate heat, and it comes with a velocity stack that is pre-installed, so you won't have to install it by yourself. And the last thing that's really good about this airbox is that it utilizes the stock ram inlet. So you wouldn't have to ditch away or throw out your stock ram inlet. You just plug it in here. The second thing we'd have is the pipe. The pipe is also powder coated to insulate heat. It comes with a DDR insignia and has two holes where you would basically fit your PCV valves. The pipe is 4 inches, and the best thing about it is once this intake is complete, you do not have to tune it. The system also comes stock with the silicone hoses and all of the fittings necessary to bolt it onto your vehicle. It comes with the clamps, the butterfly screws, as well as the 2 PCV connectors. And lastly, this system also comes with one of the Monstrous filters on the market from Green Filter USA. This specific filter, any filter you buy from DDR Performance, is specifically made for the Middle East so that you wouldn't have to worry about the harsh conditions that we have here, be it from dust, even if you go mudding or if you go duning, this is the filter to go.
Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And for more information, visit our website, ddrperformance.com.